Hey friends, welcome back to Tech Product. In today's video, we're exploring the best wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver currently transforming home setups. I'll be taking an in-depth look at the Vention wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver. Let's get started.
Product feature. Imagine the freedom of connecting up to 8 different devices at once. This system supports multi-point connections, letting you pair multiple sources simultaneously, so everyone can share their screen without the headache of cable swapping. Switching between your laptop, gaming console, or camera is now effortless. You can jump from one signal source to another smoothly, making presentations or movie nights fluid and frustration-free for you and your guests. By operating on the 5 GHz Wi-Fi band, this device ensures your audio and video stay perfectly synchronized. It minimizes interference from other gadgets, giving you a crystal clear, stable connection, even in busy wireless environments. We love features that respect your privacy. With the one-touch disconnect and reconnect button, you can instantly toggle the transmission off and on. It's a simple, quick way to manage your screen time without complicated menus. Say goodbye to restrictive short cables. This transmitter sends uncompressed HDMI signals up to 40 meters away. It's perfect for large conference rooms, spacious classrooms, or sprawling home theaters where you need distance. Enjoy your media exactly as it was meant to be seen. The transmission offers near zero latency, meaning there is no annoying lag between the source and the screen. It keeps the experience immersive, real-time, and incredibly responsive. It comes with a thoughtful 0.2-meter HDMI extension cable, designed specifically for wall-mounted TVs. This little addition helps you keep the installation clean, discreet, and looking professional behind your screen. Pros. What really warms our hearts about this Vention system is how it brings people together. The ability to switch between 8 devices makes collaboration feel natural and inclusive. We also adore the privacy button. It gives you immediate control, which feels very empowering. Plus, the 5 GHz stability means your movie nights won't be ruined by glitches, just pure enjoyment. Cons. While it is fantastic for most homes and offices, keep in mind that wireless signals can sometimes struggle through very thick concrete walls, which might slightly reduce that 40-meter range. Also, needing to power both units means you will need accessible outlets near both ends of your setup. Final thoughts. This device truly changes how we interact with our screens. It eliminates the stress of messy cables and makes sharing content feel magical and effortless. Whether you are hosting a movie marathon or running a professional meeting, having technology that just works allows you to focus on the moment and the people around you. It's a wonderful upgrade for a clutter-free life. Transform your viewing experience today with this wireless freedom. Check the price link in the description. Subscribe to Tech Product and like this video for more amazing tech finds.